Good morning. We are currently on our way to breakfast again, and we have a big walk this morning and we're in a big rush, so Dad's a bit cranky. But yeah, I'll show you my brekkie when we get to it.
It's down the front of the cliffs here, and it follows this ridge, and then down into the valley. Yeah, you can see.
Right, so the Rainforest walk is now done, and that was just absolutely beautiful. He took us out to basically all the little spots around the place, which are really nice. So now I'm just heading down to the pool, and I might pay for the steam room as well. The steam room is done for the first time, and now I'm heading down to the pool, and I'm just going to keep switching in between. Right, so I've arrived now back from the steam room and the pool, done a workout, and now I've gotten ready and we're going for dinner. So I'm back from dinner now, and I'm just going to relax and have a glass of wine before going to bed. Today was really nice and relaxing, so no complaints there, and I'm going to chat to you guys tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll chat to you then.